Hi guys, I've just bought 13-inch MacBook Pro 2020 and I would like to let you know how I feel about it. I bought the $17.99 version. I feel robbed. When I told my friends I'm buying the $17.99 version, they thought $17.99 is a model number. I can't blame them. I think Apple has committed the perfect crime, actually. When I was on the Apple's website adding that MacBook to the basket, I knew I was being robbed. Yet, I let them rob me. More than that, I'm kind of happy about it. Tell me this isn't the perfect crime, Apple, you genius. Why I picked the $17.99 one? Well, I needed a portable machine because I love working from cafes, but also I needed a laptop that is powerful because, clearly, I'm a YouTuber. And a data engineer. I will receive my MacBook Pro in about 2 weeks and I will make a private, unbiased, unsponsored review. If you want to hear a review from someone who doesn't get paid for making reviews, then hit that subscribe button and I will see you in 2 weeks' time.